I'm getting so old to carry groceries and make videos. Oh, who am I kidding? Yeah! Hello for love, everyone. Thanks so much for joining. I am getting old, by the way, though. Today is UMU time. You down with UMU? Yeah, I know you. Okay, let's look. We're gonna have some Korean style flat ribs. That'll probably be done on the grill. But in the UMU, oh yeah, my wife's never had these. Some oxtails. They were, let's see here. They were, heck, I can't read the price without my reading glasses. And the other day I went to get some taro leaves. Holla! Gee-hoo! Okay. I wonder what the crazy white people are that are driving by are thinking about me. And I got me a big old taro. I mean, big enough for our family, one. So I'm gonna shave that up and put that in the UMU too. And last but not least, I want to say my favorite corned beef, I'm gonna make some sapasui too, is the one with a little cow, right? So normally I get this at an Asian store for $7.99, this exact same size. It was only $5.69 at Walmart. I'll be darned. All right, that's it. Let's get started. Almost forgot the taro. Okay, here's my wife. She's got the palusami, the Korean rib, rice, takalo, sapasui, and she's got her pilikaki right there. All right. Let's get everyone here and say our prayer. Holy guacamole, I almost forgot the oxtail. Oh, give my wife a nice chunk of oxtail. Let's put that on our plate. And we're also going to give some to Acapella. Maybe I'll just give her a small piece, since I'm not sure if she's going to like it or not. There we go. All right, let me call the kids. All right, amen. All right, let's eat. Okay, I got the oxtail. Acapella got a tiny oxtail. Where'd the big oxtails go? Oh, they're over there. If you want a bigger one, there's Mommy's. Look how big it is. Pretty darn big. And my favorite. Woo-hoo! Yee-hoo! I love this stuff. Oh, Tommy. OMG, I love it. I mean, oh my gosh. Can't wait for Mommy to try the oxtail. There's one more rib, some more taro if you want to try it. Let's try the taro. I haven't ate real taro in a long time. Oh my god. Cooked over the fire like that, and the outside of the crust is so good. Is it okay? My wife's not talking.
It's been a while. You got the taro.
Is it okay?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Let's try the palusami. My favorite. Oh my god. Whoa. This tastes so good. Maybe it's because I'm eating with a kalo. That's so good.
How do I fold it? How do I fold it?
Let's try the Korean short rib.
Fold it? Wait, I didn't catch it. Oh, it's a
I don't know why
taco.
these are so expensive, but they're pretty expensive. These
Taco
here they are.
man.
But they're good.
I know.
Mommy's gonna try the oxtail. She says she's never had oxtail. Does it taste like a giant cow? Like an ox?
Yeah, that's a good meat though.
That's a good meat though. I don't think Acapella's tried it yet, have you, sweetie?
Wow. Reminds me of a different version of a really good steak.
She said a different version of a really good steak. That's a good sign.
No.
Mommy speaks so quietly.
Hmm?
What's that?
Taro.
Taro.
Try it.
This is why
Want
she
Want
doesn't
some?
have a fork.
Mm,
Want
That's
it?
why she doesn't have a fork.
Here. It's like a potato. It's like the same family as a potato,
Wanna
where it's
try
a
it?
starch. See, you just bite it. Tastes like potato, in a way. Pretty good. Oh, I didn't get any sapasui, but I don't need it right now. I got my balsami, and I'm happy.
Oh, Mom, there's a fly in here. Like,
Okay.
there's an actual...
Day.
Oh, try not to say that word.
How's your taro?
There's a fly got in the house from
Mm,
when I was going in and out barbecuing. We don't get flies in our house very often, so the girls always freak out when it comes.
Are you gonna do
That's why I have a fly
killing?
swatter.
We're gonna do a fly killing.
Yeah, exactly. Let me open up the door a little bit. Maybe it'll go outside.
Maybe the cat. I'm sure the cat
Shoo, fly, shoo.
run out. Oh, here, I don't know how to put that.
Mm. That's one palasami down. 4 more to go. Mm. This is good. But I could just eat the palasami and the kalo. Mm.
Bella.
Don't just tell me when you see it. I'll try to chew it out.
No.
Here's a drink. She just wants her drink.
Why'd you take my fork?
Why not? You can take all you want. You want more?
Yeah,
Take it.
I will.
Here.
I'm interested to see Acapella try the oxtail.
That's the oxtail.
Want a bite?
No.
It's like steak. Not that. That's not. This is the rib. That's a cow rib.
Yeah.
The other one they call it oxtails. There's that
That.
pitakaki you wanted me to make.
Mom, you should try that.
Mommy can't focus on. She's enjoying what she's got.
Oh, I see it. Dad, it's right in front of you.
I know that. Darn fly. Here.
Maka just runs outside. Maka.
Time for palasami number 2.
you really like that stuff, huh?
All right, we're starting number 2. This one's a little crusty. Must have been right on the fire. That's pretty good.
Pella.
Good stuff.
Oh,
Dang,
give me the
fly.
chill.
We're freaking out.
Give me it.
There's a fly!
Give me this water.
No.
Get some more sapasuy too. Or did I not have any yet? I don't even remember. The balsamic was so good. That's 2 down. You think I can have a napkin, sweetie? Thank you, darling.
Oh, hi, princess.
Hey, Carol. Got a question. You know, with games, do people usually use, what's that app called? Huh?
What app?
To talk to friends.
TikTok?
I said Discord, but is there another one people use it, like Snap?
Twitch.
No.
You don't use Snap?
Twitch?
No.
That's where you stream.
That's not talking.
Huh.
But there's people watching you.
Cool.
Got it, got it.
So, acapella don't want to try the oxtail, so I'm going to try it. Holy smoke! That is some super tender meat, huh? Wow, that is so good. I had no idea. That's something I've never tried in my life or never thought I'd try in my life. It is really good though. Especially cooked in the UMU.
I can feel my arteries about to pop.
You done, sweetie?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's my fork go?
What?
Can I have that other fork?
Sure. She ate her fork.
Think.
You don't want to try the taro either? Mm.
You know why the meat on this is so good? Because it's basically bone meat, but it's also surrounded by like really soft fat.
Cool. What were you saying, sweetie? So what's laughing because Mommy was describing the oxtail. She used a word that starts with F about something. About how it feels so good. But she feels her arteries effing clotting because it's so fat.
You said a bad word.
She said a bad word.
No
It's
word.
so good when you try the meat too.
No.
It's very.
You'd
when
really
try the
like it.
meat-
I tried this one. Here.
No, I said try this one. It comes right off the
How is
the bone. See that?
All right, give it to me.
Right off
Mom.
the bone.
Can you?
It's good.
It's very soft.
I don't feel any clotting at all.
Hey, Dad.
Enjoy. Mmm. That meat's actually pretty good. You want some?
No. Dad, can you spell potassium?
It would be Potassium.
Wrong.
No.
Close enough, though, right?
Spell potassium.
It's double S I U M.
Wait. So it's. Say the whole thing, Mom?
POTASSIUM.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to say the SS together because I'm not a Nazi.
Oh!
What were you saying?
I was saying a sapasui and mixed together with the balusami. It's really good. I like it.
Mmm. I love the char on it
Here, Cello, have some
No.
vegetables.
No.
from being on the fire.
No, stop.
It's healthy for you.
It
Stop.
is so good.
Very chocolatey.
This is my third balsamic.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put chocolate all over your field. Will it taste good then? I'm done.
All right. Peace out. Fa sepua.
Bye, Sekua.
You're excused.
Bye.
So this is our Sunday night Q&A. Is that how you say it? I'm feeling stuffed. It's so good though. Something about taro leaves are so good. And I grew up hating vegetables. So I literally can't imagine anyone that doesn't like this. I'm sure there's people out there that don't though. I just am so shocked how much I do like it. We got one rib left. Good. Has a little barbecue sauce on one side. Really good. Mommy's full, everyone's full. And Daddy keeps on he keeps on eating on, gagging. I think everyone's about done. I may or may not eat the fourth one. That's my little secret. But thank you so much for watching. Ooh. I ate you fast. We sure appreciate you guys tuning in to watch a video. Fatay Lava for all your love, your comments, and everything you do to help make this channel great. I appreciate the views. They help us generate more money that will go to someone in need. And that doesn't mean me or this chick. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Aloha to everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. And fa se fu, everyone.
Have a good night.
Peace.